Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Stephen Holt, and today I'll be walking you through how to use the all-new integration for Housecall Pro and the new flat rate once you've got it all set up. If you need to see how we set everything up, check out our video tutorial for setting up the Housecall Pro integration. As we walk through this tutorial, I'm going to be wearing a couple different hats. First, I'm going to play the role of a typical service dispatcher back at the home office, dispatching jobs to our field service technicians using Housecall Pro. Second, I'll put on my service technician hat and interact with Housecall Pro and the new flat rate mobile apps on my iPad out in the field. This is where you get to see the real magic of the integration. So let's get started. Okay, I'm putting on my service dispatcher hat. Let me log in here to Housecall Pro and we'll get going. Alright, so I've just received a call from Donnie. He's one of our plumbing customers saying that he needs someone to come out to his place ASAP. Can do, Donnie. We'll send out our best service tech, Steven, to get you fixed right up. So let's click New Job. This job is going to be for Donnie demonstration. Yep, there he is. And we need to set his appointment for the next available time slot right here. And then we'll assign our best service tech, Steven, to this job. Great. I'll click Save Job up here, and then Steven on his iPad will get a notification that he needs to get moving toward Donnie's place. This is the standard procedure for dispatching new jobs to service techs in Housecall Pro. Nothing fancy here. So now I get to change my role. I'm taking off my service dispatcher hat and putting on my service technician hat. I just turned on my iPad and saw that I've been dispatched to a new job. So let me open up the Housecall Pro app and take a look. All right, I see here I have Donnie demonstration up next. Let me go into this job, take a quick look, and let Mr. Donnie know that I'm on my way. Great, and it looks like I'm already here. So let me mark that I'm starting the job now, and I'll go greet Mr. Donnie and begin my diagnosis of the problem that he calls out for. I walk up to the door. Hi, I'm Stephen Holt with the plumbing company. What brings us out here today? Mr. Donnie will explain how he's got a bunch of family coming in town this weekend to watch the ball game, and his kitchen sink is all clogged up. You can't feed an army with a clogged sink. Okay, just to let you know, I will go ahead and take a look at the problem, and I should be able to show you several options to take care of it today. Is that okay? Of course it is. Great. So I go take a look at, and sure enough, the kitchen sink isn't draining at all. I break away and go to my truck to get prepared to present the options to Mr. Donnie using the new flat rate. I'll turn on my iPad, open up the new flat rate app, and find the repair menu that best solves this issue. This is a plumbing repair, drain cleaning, right at the top. And this one's pretty simple, so I'm going to select the PA1, the interior drain cleaning level 1. That should do it. So let me add this to the work order and name it Kitchen. Alright, now I can go talk to Mr. Donnie and present options for taking care of his clogged drain today. Hey, Mr. Donnie, do you have a minute? I'm a little concerned. I found a fault in the sanitary waste removal system, but don't worry, I've got some options for you. Would you like to go over them now? He says, sure. So I'll then present the options following the script for this part of the process, and Mr. Donnie is going to select the gold level, a great selection. Now this is where we get to see the new integration really shine. After Mr. Donnie has selected the gold option, I can go ahead and get this invoice paperwork taken care of, and we want to do that in Housecall Pro. So I'll tap this Send to Housecall Pro button at the bottom of the screen. At this point, the new flat rate app is actually asking Housecall Pro, hey, give me all the open jobs assigned to Steven the service tech, so I can display them here for him to choose from. Obviously, we only have one current open job right now for Donnie demonstration, so we'll tap Send to Job just below it to send this over to Housecall Pro. Great, it's sent. That was fast. So let's go to Housecall Pro. And as you can see, I'm taken right into Housecall Pro, right to the job for Mr. Donnie. When we scroll down, boom, you can see right there that PA1D, that gold task, got sent right in here. Description, warranty, price, and all. So at this point in the process, I'm actually done working with the new flat rate mobile app. So now I can go do my best work, I can finish the job and get paid. So that's really the extent of this Housecall Pro integration. Once the repair tasks have been sent to Housecall Pro, you'll continue to handle the customer authorization, invoicing, and payment all within Housecall Pro. You won't need to go back to the new flat rate for anything else. We think it's super simple. We think you're going to love it. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, please send us an email at support@menupricing.com.